Hey guys, we're back with the Xbox Slim breakdown here. We've already got it off the covers, and what I'm going to do is take the front cover off. Got to unclip it, and here we're hooked up. So we're going to take the screwdriver and set these clips right here. Open them up and get this off the loop there, and there you go. You're completely free. But alright, now we're going to stand this up. Take a look here. Alright. Oh, that's going to pop right off. And take this off. You see? Yeah. I'm going to take a look at the board there. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Looks pretty good. Alright. Alright, as I said before, the guy said that the lights wouldn't come on, so what I'm going to do is we're going to hook the front panel back up by getting that tab in there, straight in, and locking it over the back, and then we tighten up the lock there, put that behind it, as you see, as it should be, like that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hook the power up, and we're going to look to see what we see. Alright.
I told you that Mustang's slow as fuck.
It's just bad.
Suspect is heading off-road into the forest.
Of course. Sure.
This is that reversed one.
EMP activated and wiring target lock.
That's great.
Got hit.
Oh.
Just passed.
No light whatsoever.
Keep going. Go. Missed it. You're supposed to be in box.
Oh, great. Getting hung up. Alright, we don't see any light, so I think we're going to have to go deeper, take it apart. So, alright, pause.
I hit him. Slow down a little bit, not too much. So you see me.
The hell?
There he goes.
I got it paused, but
Hit him again with that.
is the time still going? I don't
No,
know.
it's not.
Did it freeze?
Yeah.
You're supposed to hit him right afterwards.
Oh yeah, local EMPs in the office. EMPs are go.
See how it does that shit? It keeps driving. See?
Now it's paused.